It often happens that you need to repeat and move an animation loop over time. To achieve this, we use nested animations. You can think of a nested animation as an animation within an animation. In Opentoonz, we can use a sub-xsheet to do this. In this section, I would demonstrate the principle using a flying bat. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, you might be interested in having a look at the entire course, which you can find on Skillshare and on Udemy. Link in the description. We start with 3 vector levels, the head and 2 wings. The 2 wings each rotate up and down using simple rotation tweens. This is a single flap of the wings. Now we want to loop this animation and we want the animated bat to fly around the canvas. Select the 3 columns by holding down Shift and clicking on the pictures in the columns. Then click on the collapse button. The 3 columns are combined into one. The resulting column is called a subsheet and contains the 3 original columns. Let's repeat this loop 10 times. Then we can add any number of keyframes to scale down and move the bat around the place, while his wings keep flapping. Once you've applied this collapse, we can still edit the original columns by selecting the column and clicking Open Subsheet. Or, if we change our minds, then we can explode the subsheet back into the original columns. Just right-click on the picture in the top of the column and select Explode.